Hi, Scott Irvin here from the Scott Irvin Home Selling Team. Welcome to my video blog. In today's video segment, I'm going to talk about the 8 things that can make your house look like a big mess. These are simple items that you can go through your house and do on your own, and it'll make a big difference when showing your home. Number 1 is going to be open shelving. When you have open shelving, for example, bookshelves and stuff, you want to make sure they're nice and tidy. There's not a lot of clutter on them. It's going to, show differently when a buyer walks through and it won't look like a mess. Number 2, Tangled Tech. Tangled Tech is basically when it comes to computers and home entertainment systems where you have all those wires and stuff hanging down. You're going to want to make sure that's tidied up. You take a wire tie them all together and make that look like nice and neat, opposed to all that spaghetti is what it kind of looks like. Next one is too many prints, and we're talking about wallpaper here. If you have a lot of wallpaper in your home, you're going to want to make sure that you neutralize that and take that down. Paint it a neutral color. We're trying to appeal to the masses here. Wallpaper is very personalized, so a lot of buyers will walk through and it might just not be to their style. So not too much wallpaper, prefer none at all if possible. Next one is sloppy entryways. Want to make sure that when a buyer's walking into a house, or if they're looking in like maybe a laundry room or something, that there's not a lot of shoes and keys and things thrown on the floor. Just clean that up. It'll make it look a lot cleaner and a lot nicer. Next one is unmade beds. We're all, guilty of this one. You want to make sure that you make the beds. It's going to show a lot better when a buyer comes through. Again, always think of that model home. If you go in, the beds are just perfect. Maybe even throw some decorative pillows on there, which will make a difference as well. Next one here is going to be cluttered floors. Walking into bedrooms and stuff like that, make sure, especially kids' rooms and teenagers' rooms, that the floors are cleaned up. Put those things in a closet, make it nice and tidy, and it's very simple and show a lot better. Number 7 here is leftover laundry. Again, walk through houses with buyers, a lot of times we'll see laundry thrown on beds or over the back of chairs. Just clean all that laundry up and put it away, and it'll look a lot nicer. Number 8, crowded counters, and especially in the kitchens. You want to make sure that the countertops are cleaned off. You want to show that there's ample counter space in the home, especially in the kitchen again. So take everything off that's not a necessity, and even if it is a necessity, if you can put it away, less is better in this case. So those are the 8 things that I recommend. I hope you found this video blog helpful. In future video segments, we're going to talk about some other things that might be helpful to buyers or sellers. If you have any questions, give us a call here at 215-918-1920, or feel free to email us at scott@scottirvin.com. Thank you for visiting our video blog, and we look forward to seeing you next time.